MJSA is one of the major go-to publications for bench jewelers. A trade journal, MJSA consistently produces high-quality articles on metal techniques and technologies, casting, design, and benchwork. The magazine also provides its readership with information on industry issues, social media usage, and sales and marketing. My name is Florrie Summers, creator of the Professional Pearl and Bead Stringing series of DVDs and books. For me, the real strength of MJSA lies in the comprehensive information it provides bench jewelers. So I was appalled when its February 2014 edition carried a piece entitled Basics of Jewelry Stringing that focused only on using crimps in jewelry manufacturing. Bear in mind that MJSA is dedicated to the accomplished bench jeweler. It's not a stringing or beading magazine for the amateur or hobbyist. The jewelers who read MJSA design and create high-end jewelry, including manufacturing clasps for necklaces and bracelets and pendants hung on gemstones. I often encourage professional pearl and bead stringers to learn techniques outside the stringing niche in order to support their design visions. Kumihimo and specialty knots are examples of non-torch techniques that can be invaluable to learn. For some, metalsmithing is an inevitable next step in education. For all of us, thinking through the manufacturing challenges involved in making a piece of jewelry always involves pinpointing what we know and, just as important, what we don't know. This is true for professional pearl and bead stringers and for metalsmiths. If you make jewelry with gemstone beads, in all probability, those gemstones should be knotted. Knots protect the gemstones from rubbing against each other and protect against loss. That is, if the necklace breaks, the potential loss is only one bead. Stringing pearls and beads is a critical skill in making jewelry. It's a niche, yes, just as stone setting or casting are niches. Like these and other niches, it takes knowledge, skill, and practice to master it. If you don't have the skill or the patience to acquire it, then outsource the job. Shortcuts, particularly with high-end, expensive jewelry, are just unacceptable. I was surprised and disappointed MJSA offered this substandard advice to readers. Please visit my website, fsummers, for more articles like this and the Professional Pearl and Bead Stringing series of videos and books. Thank you for listening.